Welcome. If you want to change the voice of your Siri in the HomePod, at the first you have to enter the Home application on your iOS device. Next you have to find HomePod and then click and hold this icon to open HomePod settings. Let's make it one more time. Okay, right now it is working, and we have to scroll down, and all you have to do right now is just to enter for the Siri voice. And here we get a couple of the options. So for example, we can change for the Hindi and the male, go back and just check if it is working. Hey Siri. Tell me a joke.
I cleaned out the attic with my friend yesterday. Now I can't get the cobwebs out of his hair.
So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!